Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn in how to use Microsoft Teams, how you can create, schedule, invite, and join meetings. So first is we are going to create or sign up for an account. So you can download the Microsoft Teams to your computer or laptop. So after that, make sure to sign up for an account. Okay, so once you are done signing up for an account, you would be directed to this section. Okay, so right here to create, to create meetings, you just have to simply click on this pencil icon at the top. That's right, or you can also click on this create your own. Okay, so I'm just going to use this one. That's right. So right here, you can type out the name, the email, or the phone number so that you can start a new conversation. Okay. Now for the meetings, just simply click on the meet option. That's right. So here we have the create a meeting option, schedule a meeting, and join a meeting. So starting off, the create a meeting section. So here, just simply click on this one. Okay, so here you have to give your meeting a title. So it depends of what kind of meeting that you are having. So I'm just going to type right here meeting with my name. After that, click on the create and copy link. That's right. Okay, so you have here now your meeting link. Okay, so you just have to simply click on the share option. Okay, so now the link has been copied to your clipboard. So you can now use your social media accounts or any platforms that you are using for the conversation with your client, and then you can send your link to your client. Okay. After that, just click on the join option. Okay, so right here, you can now join this meeting. So make sure to turn on your camera as well as your audio. After that, click on the join now option. Okay, so right here at the top, you have the chat section, the people. Okay, you can raise your hands right here. You have the react section. Then you can also change the view. You have the gallery, the speaker, the together mode. You can also preview this one. And then to turn on your camera, you just have to click on it, and then your mic as well. Okay, now to share your screen, you just have to click on the share option. Okay, and then here we have the screen or the windows. So if you were to click the windows, you'd be able to see here all of your windows. Then you can select the windows that you want to share in this meeting. So now just going to leave this meeting, and then we are going to proceed to the schedule a meeting section. Now to schedule a meeting, you just have to click on the schedule a meeting section. That's right. And then here you have to give this scheduled meeting a title. So for example, emergency meeting. Okay, after that, you have to enter right here the email of your of the people that you are going to invite during this emergency meeting. So you can enter their name right here or their email. And then for the schedule, of course, we have to select the date. For example, this meeting would be on Saturday. Okay, after that, you have here now the time. Okay, so we just going to select from 1 p.m. okay to 2 p.m. So this would be an hour meeting. Okay, after that, you can also click on this do not repeat section. Of course, since this is just an emergency meeting, we're going to select does not repeat. That's right. And then for the location, okay, so here you can also add a location for this meeting. Then, of course, you have to type right here the details or the description of this meeting. So you just have to type the details or add an instruction so that the people that you are going to invite, they will be able to see here the instruction that you are going to leave. Okay, now right here, just have to choose who can bypass the lobby. So here we have people who were invited, everyone, and only me. So of course, you're going to select people who were invited, and then who can present. So here I'm just going to select only me. After that, click on the save option. Okay, now the meeting is created. So here you can now share the meeting invitation with other people. Okay, so this is your meeting link. So you have here the title of your meeting, the date, and then the time. After that, you just have to copy this one, and then you have to send this meeting link. Okay, so we are done with create a meeting link and schedule a meeting. Now let us join with a meeting ID. Okay, so right here, when you click on this one, what you're going to do is you just have to type your meeting ID right here. So you have to ask that meeting ID from the person who invited you for a Microsoft meeting. Okay, so right here, you can also type a meeting passcode. So make sure that your meeting passcode is correct so that you would be able to join here the meeting. Okay, and then after clicking on the join meeting, you would be able to see all of the people who are inside the meeting link. Okay, so here you have your meeting links, and then you have your scheduled meetings. Now, if you want to view this scheduled meetings in your calendar, you just have to click on this view in calendar option. That's right. And then let's just go to the date. Okay, so that would be on September 6th, right? Okay, so we have that one right here. So this is the emergency meeting. Now, if you want to customize this meeting, just have to go here and then click on the edit option. That's right. Okay, so here, if you want to change the name of your meeting, and then you have to enter another people or email right here for the meeting invitation, you have to just type out your name or email right here. Then, if you want to change the date, you just go here as well as the time. Okay, and then if you happen to put here the if you happen to input here the wrong time zone, so you just have to go back here and then choose that correct time zone once again. So after that, just make sure to click on the save option at the top. Okay, so after that, you're now good to go, and then just wait for the scheduled meeting and then all of your meeting using the Microsoft Teams. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.